Most of your wasted connects die in the same 5 places. Let me show you where, so you never bury money there again. The painful truth is that many job posts on any marketplace were never going to hire anyone. Client posted, sochta raha, gayab ho gaya. In your connects, gone with him. Applying more is not the answer. Applying smarter is. Red flag 1. Payment method not verified and zero hire history. No proof this client has ever paid anyone. Skip. Red flag 2. 50 plus proposals already. By the time you apply, the client has probably shortlisted from the first batch. Aap late ho chuke hain. Red flag 3. The vague brief. Need expert, easy task, long term. No details means no clarity, and no clarity means scope drama later. Red flag 4. Insulting budgets on serious work. A $5 budget for a full website is not a client. Wo ek warning sign hai. Red flag 5. Old job posts sitting open for weeks. Either it's filled, forgotten, or the client is window shopping. Here's the part most people miss. Every one of these signals is visible before you spend a single connect. Upwork literally shows you the data. Most freelancers just don't read it. A connect saved on a bad job is worth more than a connect spent on a perfect proposal, because the bad job was never going to pay you. Which of these 5 have you been ignoring? Confession time. Comments, man. We've all done at least one.